May the 4th be with you. Happy Star Wars Day. Let's do a G-Shock review. Afternoon, Casio fans, and afternoon, Star Wars fans, because today is May the 4th, traditionally known as Star Wars Day. So, also, pretty fitting, I think, considering I think the watch I'm about to review, this GBD-200, looks a little bit like a Stormtrooper. Don't you agree? We'll call it the Stormtrooper G-Shock. Nice, pretty fitting. Couple of new additions today on the channel. This beautiful 3D printed G-Shock logo, kindly made for me by a guy called Gav, who has a 3D printing eBay account, and he has a Facebook page called GLP 3D. So thanks for that, Gav. Really loving the G-Shock logo, mate. It's brilliant. Thanks for that. And as of today, I just checked this morning, we have 269 subscribers. So that is awesome. We are heading towards 300, and that's just brilliant. I just never thought we would even get anywhere near that, to be honest. So thanks for watching, everyone, and thanks for subscribing. Brilliant. Cool. Right. And also, it's a pretty big day for me because it's not only is it new G-Shock day, but it is also new lawnmower day, which is pretty cool. Cue the lawnmower cutscene. What a lawn, and what a mower. I've gone all battery now on my lawnmower, so very pleased with that. Little birthday present this year for myself, so great. Cool, right, let's do this. Let's open this G-Shock up. I'm very excited about this one. I've wanted it for a little while, so yeah, let's open it. Okie dokie. Let's get it open. Nice fresh box. This one is brand spanking new. It's not from Vinted. This is from Amazon, brand new. This is a fresh watch, which I haven't done in a while. Box is nice and clean, nice and crispy. Nice. Okay, let's open this up. Ooh. Stiff tin. Flip that label out the way. And just tilt this down a bit so you can see that. Yeah. Okay. Spongy bit in the middle. Here we go. Okay. My reference for this watch is that it's quite big, because I see it on a lot of people's wrists on YouTube and it looks massive, but I'm gonna say it's not that big. It's not as big as I thought. Wow. Look at that. That is stunning. The MIP display is so clear on this thing. Very impressed with that. Incredibly impressed. Don't know if you can see that, but you never really lose the time. You can still read the time, even at an angle. Every angle, you can see the time. Which is kind of why I bought this watch. Not just for the display, but it's just a much more modern G-Shock. I don't own a modern G-Shock, and I just wanted it. It's just beautiful. And it doesn't look like a Stormtrooper. People might disagree, but it looks like a Stormtrooper. But what a stunning watch. Yeah, like I said, MIP display, which stands for memory in pixels. So the contrast on this is far superior to your normal G-Shock. It is so clear. It is so crisp. It's like looking at a sort of 4K TV in a way. Really pleased with this. Absolutely beautiful watch. Nice. Okay, let's take the label off. Let's get this little label off. Okay, label is off. Had to get that thing off. The strap is lovely. It's not that stiff, actually. It's quite springy. I think this is going to be a very comfy watch on the wrist. But look at that display. Absolutely stunning. I love the buttons. Love the shape of it. It's a beautiful watch. Pretty similar to the picture. The picture makes it look white though. I would say this is definitely a sort of darker grey in the flesh. When you get it, you realise it's properly grey. It's not a sort of light, sort of off-white. It is actually grey. It's stunning. Let me just touch the buttons. Okay. Stopwatch, activities. It's got a step tracker, and you can get your phone sort of linked up to it to get your sort of notifications from your phone via Bluetooth. I don't think I'm going to bother doing that. I think that it's not a feature I'm going to use. And they do say it does sort of drain the battery quite badly. So I'm going to leave all that out. I'm just going to use it as a watch and kind of step tracker. And yeah, nice buttons. There is a slight delay when you press the button. Very slight delay. Don't know why that is, but I don't really care. Superb looking watch. Stainless steel case back, 200 meters water resistant. Stunning. I can't wait to wear this Stormtrooper watch. I think this is going to be my kind of weekend wearer when I go out walking. Stunning. Cool. Let's try it on. Nice. Look at that. Oh my Lord. What a stunning watch. So comfy. The strap is really kind of soft. No stiffness to the strap at all. I would say sort of in the recent video I reviewed this, the strap on this is very stiff. Comfort, I think I scored 7 out of 10. For comfort, I'm going to score this a 10 out of 10. Definitely a 10 out of 10 for comfort. You just put it on instantly and it feels lovely. It feels great on the wrist. No gaps down here. Absolute beautiful watch. Well worth the money. Look at that. Let's just zoom in a bit there. Great watch. Comes in various colours. I think you can get a blue, you can get a lime green, which I'm trying to talk my friend into getting at the moment. He should definitely get one of these if you're watching. You know who you are. Yeah, brilliant, brilliant watch. Look at that display on the Stormtrooper G-Shock. Fantastic. Okay, let's check out the backlight on this. Exciting times. Darkest room of the house for this backlight test. Here we go on this GBD-200 Stormtrooper watch. Nice. Look how clear that is. Sublime. I'm going to score this a 9 out of 10. Just simply because it's the best one I've seen so far. But I believe Casio might be able to beat it in the future. So it's a 9 out of 10. Super clear. Great colour. Awesome. I'm incredibly impressed with this MIP display. But let's see how clear it is underwater. Let's do the plop test. There we go. Super clear, even underwater. What a watch. Great watch. Awesome, awesome. Fantastic backlight and passed the plop test with flying colours. Let's just do a little comparison for everyone, just so you know, kind of size-wise, what you're kind of dealing with here. This is the DW and the GBD-200 together. DW, obviously, bit of a beast. Square on. Pretty similar, I think. DW, bit wider. But look at that MIP display compared to a standard display. The difference is extreme, I would say. You can see if I turn the time, you lose the time there. Time is gone there. So that angle is the maximum. You can see the time. With this MIP display, You can see it still. You can still see the time even there. What a watch. Loads of features on this. I haven't had a good play with it yet. Maybe I'll do a watch review of this in the future to kind of show everyone the features, how to use it. There's a bit of water on there from the plop test. But I'm really impressed with this. It's definitely going to be one of my most worn watches, I think. So should you consider this watch? Should you buy this watch? Or should you not buy this watch? I would say get your money right now and go and buy it. It's such a great G-Shock. One to add to the collection for sure. Amazing. Cool. Well, that's it for today. Happy Star Wars Day. Happy G-Shock Casio Day. Nah, it's just Star Wars Day. Thanks for watching, guys. GBD-200, go and buy it. It's beautiful watch. It's comfy. The display is amazing. And if you're a G-Shock collector, this has to be in it, I think. It just has to be. Yeah, so cool. Catch you on the next one, and thanks for watching. See you soon.